Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.
Hello dear friend, welcome back to IF Tech channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add more than one photo on Facebook story. So actually this is really useful feature. Before starting this process, this feature, I will ask you something. Please subscribe my channel and give a like the video. So let's start. So first of all, you will have to open your Facebook application, and after open in your Facebook application, then here you can see this kind of interface. So just here you can see it is doing, just click on it, then choose one photo. Actually I would like this photo. Then how to add more photos. So for doing that, just click on it, just click on it, then here you can see gallery option, just click on it, and after that you can set up another photo. Actually I would like this photo. I would like to set up this photo, so you can zoom, otherwise you can do a lot of things in here. So here you can see, just wait guys. So guys, if you new in my channel, please subscribe my channel to get more videos, more notification. So just wait guys. Actually I would like to set up another photo, so just I want to set up this photo. So guys, here you can see, this is really useful feature. So guys, by this process you can add more than one photo, a lot of image. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends, and if you have any comment, please try my best to help you.